What happens when you use castor oil before bed? Castor oil has been a trusted natural remedy for centuries, celebrated for its incredible health and beauty benefits. Extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, this thick, golden oil is packed with fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. From promoting hair growth to improving skin health and aiding digestion, castor oil is a versatile powerhouse. But did you know that applying it before bedtime can maximize its benefits? Let's dive into how this ancient remedy can transform your nightly routine. Number 1, promotes hair growth. Dreaming of thicker, healthier, and longer hair? Castor oil might just be your new best friend. Its star ingredient, ricinoleic acid, is a fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It boosts blood circulation to the scalp, delivering essential nutrients to your hair follicles and creating the perfect environment for growth. Using castor oil before bed gives your scalp hours to soak up all those nourishing benefits while you sleep. This overnight treatment strengthens hair, adds shine, and tackles common scalp issues like dandruff and dryness. Pro tip: warm the oil slightly, massage it into your scalp, and use a wide tooth comb to distribute it evenly. Pop on a shower cap to lock in moisture and let the oil work its magic overnight. Number 2, reduces wrinkles and fine lines. If smoother, younger-looking skin is your goal, castor oil is here to help. Packed with fatty acids and antioxidants like vitamin E, it deeply hydrates your skin, reduces inflammation, and fights free radicals, those pesky molecules that contribute to premature aging. Applying castor oil before bed acts like a rejuvenating overnight treatment. Its thick texture creates a protective barrier that locks in moisture, plumping up your skin and smoothing out fine lines. Wake up to a fresher, firmer, and glowing complexion. How to use. After cleansing, gently massage a small amount into your skin, focusing on areas with visible wrinkles. Number 3, relieves constipation naturally. Dealing with digestive discomfort, castor oil has been a trusted, natural remedy for generations, especially when it comes to relieving constipation. The secret lies in its active ingredient, ricinoleic acid, which works to stimulate the intestines and promote healthy bowel movements. For quick relief, take 1 to 2 tablespoons of castor oil on an empty stomach before bed. If the taste or texture is a bit strong, try warming it slightly to make it easier to swallow. Within a few hours, you should start to feel the effects, helping you wake up feeling lighter and more comfortable. A quick heads up: while castor oil is effective, it's best used as a short-term solution. If you're dealing with chronic digestive issues, it's always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider before trying this remedy. But for occasional relief, castor oil is a natural, time-tested option that really works. Number 4, improves sleep quality. We all know how crucial a good night's sleep is for our overall well-being, and castor oil might just be the unexpected hero to help you get there. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, castor oil can help ease pain, reduce tension, and create a calming effect that prepares your body and mind for rest. Here's how it works. Massaging castor oil into your skin before bed can help soothe muscle soreness, relieve stress, and promote deep relaxation. Some people even find that its subtle, earthy aroma has a grounding effect, helping them unwind after a long day. Number 5, deeply moisturizes skin. If dry, flaky skin has been a constant battle, castor oil is here to rescue you. As a natural emollient, it's incredibly effective at penetrating deep into your skin, delivering intense hydration and locking in moisture to prevent dryness. Its thick, rich consistency creates a protective barrier that's perfect for overnight use, giving your skin the TLC it needs while you sleep. Here's how to use it. Before bed, apply a small amount of castor oil to your face or body, paying extra attention to those notoriously dry areas like elbows, knees, and heels. Let it absorb for at least 30 minutes, or leave it on overnight for maximum hydration. Number 6, reduces pain and inflammation. If you're struggling with pain, whether it's from arthritis, sore muscles, or even menstrual cramps, castor oil's natural anti-inflammatory properties can be a game changer. Its star ingredient, ricinoleic acid, works to reduce swelling, ease discomfort, and promote healing, making it a go-to remedy for pain relief. For targeted relief, try using a castor oil pack before bed. Here's how. Soak a soft cloth in warm castor oil, place it on the affected area, and cover it with plastic wrap and a warm towel. The warmth helps the oil penetrate deeper into your skin, while the castor oil works its magic to soothe inflammation and pain. Leave it on overnight and wake up feeling more comfortable and relaxed. Number 7. Soothes sunburn. Sunburn can leave your skin feeling raw, irritated, and damaged, but castor oil is here to help. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and deeply moisturizing properties, it's an excellent natural remedy for soothing sunburned skin and speeding up the healing process. How to use. After cooling the affected area, gently massage a few drops of castor oil into your skin. Its hydrating effects will help reduce redness, swelling, and peeling, while also providing much-needed moisture to repair your skin's barrier. Leave it on overnight and rinse it off in the morning to reveal calmer, healthier-looking skin. Number 8. Thickens eyebrows naturally. If you've been dreaming of fuller, more defined eyebrows, castor oil is your secret weapon. Packed with nourishing nutrients like vitamin E and omega fatty acids, it works wonders to strengthen hair follicles, promote healthy growth, and give your brows a thicker, more lush appearance. How to use. Before bed, take a small amount of castor oil and apply it to your eyebrows using a clean mascara wand or your fingertips. Gently massage it into the brow area to stimulate blood flow and ensure the oil penetrates deeply. Leave it on overnight and rinse it off in the morning. Number 9. Accelerates wound healing. When it comes to healing cuts, scrapes, or minor wounds, castor oil is a natural powerhouse. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help keep the area clean, prevent infection, and speed up tissue regeneration. Plus, it forms a protective barrier over the skin, creating the perfect environment for healing. How to use. Start by cleaning the wound thoroughly with water and a mild antiseptic. Once the area is dry, apply a small amount of castor oil directly to the wound. Cover it with a sterile bandage to keep it protected. Repeat this process daily until the wound is fully healed. Always perform a patch test before using castor oil to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. And remember, while castor oil offers numerous benefits, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. By incorporating castor oil into your bedtime routine, you're not just investing in your beauty, you're embracing a centuries-old tradition of natural wellness. Using castor oil before bed allows your body to fully absorb its nutrients and reap the benefits while you sleep. It's also a convenient way to incorporate this natural remedy into your routine without disrupting your day. So, why not give it a try?